Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 401 binary watch. We're told that binary watch has 4 LEDs on the top to represent the hours 0 to 11, so it's 0 based, and 6 LEDs on the bottom to represent the minutes 0 to 59. Each LED represents a 0 or 1 because it's binary, with the least significant bit on the right. So the least significant bit will be on the right, and we're given an example. The following binary watch reads 451, so 4, so there'd be a 1 underneath here, and then adding up all these numbers would give us 51 in binary. We're given an integer turned on, which represents the number of LEDs that are currently on, ignoring the PM, and we need to return all possible times the watch could represent. So you may return the answer in any order. So for example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So turned on would be 5. If there was only one number, if there was only one light which was on, turned on would be 1. So we need to find all possible permutations, so to speak, all possible combinations of what the watch could represent. The hour must not contain a leading zero, so this would not be valid. It must be like this. The minute should consist of 2 digits and may contain a leading zero. For example, this is valid. This is not valid, so this string over here is valid. And we're given turned on equals 1. So this is quite simply every number in the binary watch. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 1, 2, 4, 8. Yeah, this would represent every single potential light which is on would be turned on if the variable we're given on to the hour function is 1. And if turned on is 9, we get an empty array because it's not possible. So yeah, let's have a look at how we can code this up in Python. So we know that we need to have a list to return all our possible combinations, and we'll say for hour in range 12 and for minute in range 60. What we want to do is add our the binary, get the binary representation of the hours plus the minutes, and we're going to say if temp contains the exact amount of zeros as turned on. What we want to do now is say, well, now we can format this time and put it into our response. So to do that, let's say we can do something like this using a Python formatted string. So we know that we have 2 decimal places. So I guess this should work. And let's pass in our hours and minutes. So hours and minutes. And then let's say res.append our time. And then we can simply return our result, our list of potential combinations. So let's run this. Oh, what contains instead of count. Not all arguments converted during string formatting. Ah, I see. We need to add percentage sign. Perfect. So our two test cases pass, and let's now submit our solution. And yeah, you can see this is quite an efficient solution. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.